Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sierra. We do spooky lifestyle over on this channel, so if that is something of interest for you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Join my creepy little corner of the internet. I would love to have you. Today we are talking about witchy mail from Salem, which if you have seen any of my vlogs from Salem, you know that it is one of my favorite places to visit. But living in North Carolina, obviously I can't get there at the drop of a hat. So thank goodness for online shopping because I can have things shipped directly to my door and feel like I'm having a little piece of Salem with me in that very moment when I can't be there. So one of my absolute favorite shops in Salem is Black Veil Tattoo. They just recently opened a new shop downtown close to Essex Street near the Witch House, which it wasn't open yet the last time I was there, which was last summer. So I have only seen pictures of it, but if you have been to the OG shop, you know how stunning and beautiful it is inside, and I can't wait to see the new shop when I go next. Hopefully it will be maybe this summer, later this year. I'd love to get back to Salem and just soak it all up. But I saw they were doing mystery boxes. Now this is the Black Veil Arcanum. I'm probably butchering that word severely. You can either do just one or you could do a subscription, and I believe you get a discount if you do the subscription, but I just did the one. I'm not gonna lie, I've already opened it so I know everything that's in here because I wasn't sure when I was gonna film this video and I was just like staring it down like I was boring a hole into the box. I needed to know what was in there. So I'm gonna share with you guys, and then if you guys like what's in here, you can get your own mystery box. And yeah, I think I'll probably do this again in the future. I will link it on their website down for you guys below so you can check it out if you want to. I think that they're very talented and just everything they do is just top quality, so I love supporting them. So anyways, here's the box. I love that it's the shape of a question mark, but it's like a goat. I don't know. The hoof is at the bottom. They're so clever. So as I was opening it, I made a mental note of how it was packaged. So I put it back together how it was so I can show you guys as if we were opening it together for the first time. You get this little card. So it matches the front. It's just really neat. All of their artwork is so detailed and beautiful. Like, I don't know, I can never get over them. So then you open this up. I got this actually like sometime in December. So mine has a season's greetings little card on it. Here is the back of the card. This kind of gives you an idea of their vibe. This is actually from the Salem Night Fair, which if you're unfamiliar with that, it is the last 2 weekends of October. It is their Halloween event and it is hosted in Pioneer Village, so where the opening credits of Hocus Pocus were filmed. So it's a really cool, very historic area. They have tons of vendors. I went back in 2021 with my friend Elena. We had a blast. They just have all of these different like character type people, and I actually got a fortune, which was really cool. You like give a donation, they give you a fortune. The person is on stilts, so they tower over you. It feels very ominous, but everything about this event is very cool. So if you are going in October and you're gonna be there the last 2 weekends of October, I would highly suggest doing the Salem Night Fair. They seriously can do no wrong. Like I'm obviously fangirling. I love Black Veil and I love the Murray twins, and it's so good, it's so good. So they also sent a sticker with the spider. I don't have any tattoos, but if I got one, I'd want them to tattoo a tiny spider on me. I don't know where, but that would be the only tattoo I think I would probably ever get, and I love their art. So next we have some more stickers. I'm genuinely obsessed with this. I like to think this is me. That might be very narcissistic. I love to think this is me just coming home from Salem, just witchy vibes all around. Oh God, the trees, it's just beautiful. And I'm always impressed because I have multiple prints by them. I'm always impressed with just how dark and inky the black ink is. It's like, it's so crisp. Oh, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm just gonna keep saying I love them. Probably 15 more times before the end of this segment. They also sent this witch broom sticker. Again, just my ring light's kind of thrown, there it is. Sorry, the ring light's kind of bright, but this is just the detail. It's so beautiful. And then this one is perfect because we are coming up on Valentine's Day and it says freak in the sheets, and it's perfect. I love the graveyard behind it and just the kisses on the sheet ghost. And this one's a big one, so I'm gonna have to find a really good spot for this because I love this one. I think this one's honestly my favorite. Like I love the girl, the witchy girl, but I love the ghost, so love. So they include 2 prints in here outside of like the other ones with the season's greetings and everything. So this one says Salem, Massachusetts. How cool is that? It's so ominous. And if I'm not mistaken, I feel like this might be from the Salem Night Fair as well, like before it got dark, because I feel like that person looks like they could have been from that, or it honestly could have just been a photo shoot that they did, but I think this is really cool. I like to put their 5x7 artwork in the salon. The second print is my favorite of the 2. The autumn vibes are just beautiful. Oh gosh, the light coming through the trees. It's just, everything about it is magical and beautiful. I'm so excited that now I've shot this video, I can put this in the salon because I need the autumn vibes with me all the time, and this is gonna be so perfect. It just, I don't know. I feel like it's just morning time in autumn. I can almost smell the leaves and the crisp air. It's stunning, it's beautiful. Again, this is also a little note card, postcard type thing, so you could send this to somebody if you like, but I like to use it as artwork again. Let me just say, I have a few shirts from Black Veil, and this is probably one of my favorite. So I got this in a 2XL. I tend to get shirts and sweatshirts and clothing in a 2XL because I am 5'8", so I like it to be like longer on me and a little more oversized. A moment of silence, please. You guys know I'm a cat girl, so obviously this really stood out to me. But I love the bats in the background. I love that we have the witch house, and it says the Witch House, Salem, Mass. And so this to me is just perfect. This is like me in a shirt. I swear to you, this is me in a shirt. They don't know me like that, but they know me like that. Do you know what I mean? So we'll get a little closer so you can see. Okay, I couldn't see what I was doing, so hopefully I wasn't going too slow or too fast. This is beautiful. This is stunning. This is gonna be one of those shirts that I am so thrilled and happy to throw on and like run errands or go to work or just lounge. Yeah, with like leggings or bike shorts, whatever. But it is like so soft, the perfect size. And obviously you guys have heard me say 65,000 times, I love their artwork. So it to me is flawless and I love it. Seriously, again, if you are ever in Salem and have the chance to go to the original shop, I would go to that one, but also check out the one by the witch house. I only got to peek through the window and it looked really cool. They were still setting it up, but I would definitely check out both shops. I know in the original shop they've been doing really cool like photo shoot type things. They have a section that's just gorgeous. I'll insert a photo right here, and it has like these candles and just the velvet couches and chairs and everything, and it is so beautiful. So in that area they keep kind of switching it up just a little for seasonal things. They had a Krampus theme in December, and I believe, I'm not sure, I think it might be Alice in Wonderland themed right now. It looks really cool. I could be wrong though. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm sure I'll look it up here in a minute and be like, oh, sorry guys, it's actually blah, blah, blah. But anyways, I've yammered on far too long about the Black Veil. Love them, love this box. I will probably get another one. They retail for $50 and you get the shirt and the prints and the whole experience. But I believe when I was just checking right now, it's on sale for like $42. So again, they also have the subscription, so if you're into that, I'm gonna link them down below. They're amazing, I love them. You guys will never see this video, I'm sure, but I love you guys and I'm obsessed with anything that you do. Okay, so next we are going to talk about Ascend. I know people talk about Ascend a lot online. It is such a beautiful store. It's very light and airy, lots of crystals. Full transparency, they did reach out to me and they wanted to send a couple items to talk about. So I actually made a reel for them a couple months ago, so I've had these items for a little bit, but I wanted to share it with you guys because everything in there is beautiful, and these are just a small amount of items for you to kind of see to get an idea if you aren't familiar with them. I do have a code. You can use Sierra15 at checkout to save a little bit of money, and so if there is something that you like, you can get a little discount on it. I also wanted to note, if you go to Salem, they do aura readings as well. I haven't done one there yet, but I think on the next trip to Salem, I'm gonna try and jump in there to do that. It's really cool. They take your photo, they read the color auras that are surrounding you and kind of give you some insight. And it's one of those things that you can do multiple times because your aura is constantly changing, right? So if you're there, make sure to pop in, grab a crystal, get your aura read, and yeah. So let's jump into the package. I love this blue mailer. Like when this popped up, I was like, it's so beautiful. And I wish you guys could smell the inside of this. Like I said, I've had this for a little bit, but it still smells so like witchy. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It smells like a shop in Salem because it is a shop in Salem. But it smells like almost lemony incense type vibe. I don't know. It's so good. So the paper, I've kind of like balled it up a little bit, but it's still so pretty. It has their name and stars and moons in gold on this white paper. It is so beautiful. And this is definitely what they spritz the scent on. I like just keep crossing my fingers that the smell is gonna stay for a long time because it's therapeutic. So disclaimer, I love crystals. I'm not the most knowledgeable, so I will be linking these items down below or a link to their site, and they just give you the best description of everything. So when I was picking out items, I was kind of picking things that were gonna be just to kind of uplift, like more uplifting type vibes. I don't know how to describe it better than that. Like my brain is just like right now. But just to kind of like help lift your mood and those sort of things. So I'm gonna start off with my ring. How dainty and cute is this? This is the Smokey Quartz coffin ring, and I got it in silver. I like to mix my metals, so I do have a gold piece in a second, but I just love how gorgeous that is. And it's so cute and dainty, and it's like people don't even notice it's a coffin at first, and then you get up close and you're like, oh yeah, that is a coffin. So let me look up on their website and kind of give you a quick overview of what Smokey Quartz does. Okay, so I'm gonna read off my phone a little bit. The ring retails for $39, which honestly, it's such good quality. And I've worn it multiple times and it has not tarnished my finger, which is a big win. Okay, so it is sterling silver, so that explains why it's not tarnishing, but for 40 bucks, that's a really good deal in my opinion. Okay, I'm just gonna read what they say. Smokey Quartz is renowned for its grounding properties, transforming dense energy to calm fear and depression. It promotes a soothing and calming effect, fostering emotional balance. So when I was going through the products, I was about to be in the midst of the craziest part of the year for me at work. I'm a hairstylist and the holidays are always busy. So I was like, I need something that's just gonna calm me. Not that there was like a lot of depression going on at the time, but I just was like, the anxiety was just flowing through my body. And it's like, I just needed something. So when I read that, I was like, grounding. Yes, we absolutely need that. And I don't know, it's cute. And if it helps me calm my anxiety a little bit more, I'm gonna wear it 24/7. I also forgot to mention, they sent this little bag of crystals. So it's like crystal confetti. Oh, look at all of those. I honestly need to get like a little velvet pouch and just put those in it and just keep it in a safe spot. But they said, Sierra, we are so excited to work with you. Can't wait to see what you create. Love and light ascend. Love you guys so much. Oh, and I love the gold foil packaging, so cute. This next one, I'm gonna show you in the packaging and then take it out. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Like I said, I mixed metals, so I got gold this time. But this is a wire wrapped opalite. This retails for $12.99. Oh. Let's just take it out so we can see it in all its full glory. Like, are you joking? This is one of the most beautiful things that I have ever laid my little eyes on. This is, oh, okay. Let me tell you a little bit about Opalite again from their website. So Opalite is subtle yet highly energizing and helps one overcome fatigue and encourages persistence. Quick mood booster, improves communication on all levels. Again, I needed the mood booster at the time. I was like, I am really feeling like I need it. I love how dainty this gold chain is. It also comes in a silver chain if that's more your style, but I just loved the gold with the opalite. At the time, I just was really feeling that. Oh my God. I literally can't get over it. It's so beautiful. I just feel like it sits at such a nice spot. I wanted to wear a shirt that you could see my skin so you could see easily where it's hitting on my body. Let me see what length chain this is. Okay, it's a 16-inch chain. So I feel like on me, it hits at like the perfect spot and it just gives that little witchy vibe that I so desperately want all the time. It's like, look at them together. I love it. I love. Okay, I have one more item to show you guys before we're done, so let me grab it, and it might be one of my favorite things of the entire video. Hang on. Now, I know obviously these both have crystals in them, but like I needed an actual like chunk of crystal. So, oh my gosh, it's actually perfect. This is a jack-o'-lantern wearing a witch hat, and it is in orange calcite. It is $44, so it's a little pricier, but are you joking me? This is the cutest freaking thing I've ever seen in my life. And it's got nice weight to it. I want to take it with me everywhere. I'm not even joking. I want this with me at all times. Just imagine everywhere I go, I just place this in front of me. People are like, huh? I'm like, don't worry about it. It's me and my emotional support crystal jack-o'-lantern. So for orange calcite, it is energizing and restorative. It helps to unlock creative energy and promote happiness and joy. So I really wanted this for the creativeness. I was feeling a little bit of a creative slump when I chose this. I'm getting out of that. I'm feeling more creative for sure, but I just adore this so much. Like I said, I think it's probably my favorite thing from the entire video. Oh, the quality is amazing, and it's just so good. It's just so beautiful. And they had a couple different ones that you could choose from. Obviously, I like the orange one for the creative properties, but also because a jack-o'-lantern, I just love when they're orange. So we had to get the orange. This is so cute, the little face. Anyways, I'm gonna go down a rabbit hole of just saying the same thing over and over again about how cute and sweet and adorable it is, but I will stop there. Thank you so much to Ascend for sending over these goodies. I love you guys. I love all of the pieces. Again, you can use Sierra 15 if you found anything here, or if there's anything on the site that you like. You can save a little money and get a little magical witchy thing for yourself. Okay, and that is it for me today. It was kind of a quick video, but a fun one. You know I love Salem, so getting to open some Salem mail is always a plus. Also, I did just want to quickly mention my friend Erin has Witch by Weekend Co. You can find her on Instagram, and she has a business where she will send out boxes. Or you can curate a box, or if you were just recently in Salem and saw a particular item in a particular store, she will go shopping for you. It's like a genius business model. I did a review on her in one of my spooky small shop videos, so I will link that down below if you're interested in checking her out as well. Highly would recommend. She is one of the sweetest people I know, and it's just so fun that she can go into the shops and just pick things out and send them to you or a loved one or whoever, you know. So what perfect gift other than gifts from Salem? Do you know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate each and every single one of you for clicking on the video and sticking around, and I would love to see you in the next one. So be sure to subscribe so we can connect a little bit more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.